In this media, you will learn about screwdriver. Screwdriver is a tool used for tightening or loosening the screw. The screwdriver should be inserted in right angle vertically on the axis of the screw head. Screwdriver is rotated in anti-clockwise direction for loosening of screws. It is rotated in clockwise direction for tightening of screws. Always use correct width of blade in the correct screw. By using a bigger width of blade in the smaller screw would eventually damage the workpiece. Screwdrivers are available in standard variable dimensions as shown. Screwdrivers are also available in different handle and blade shapes. They should be used to the corresponding screw sizes. Instrument screwdrivers are used to turn very small screws. Such screws are used in instruments like watches, clock, cell phones, etc. Instrument screwdrivers are available in various standard sizes as shown. Impact screwdrivers are used to tighten or loosen the screws that are very tight by hammering it. General safety precautions. The screwdriver, like any other, has limitations and safety requirements that must be followed. Screwdrivers come in different sizes, so always select the right screwdriver for the job. Inspect the screwdriver for physical damage to the head of insulation and reject any damaged screwdrivers. Do not use a screwdriver as a pry bar since the blade is hardened to keep it from wearing, and the harder it is, the easier it will break. Numerous injuries have resulted from slipping screwdrivers penetrating the palm of the hand. A screwdriver is not a chisel and the handle can easily crack and split, resulting in an injury. Ensure that your screwdriver has the correct insulation rating if you are performing electrical work. Thus, you have learned about screwdriver.